I am not guilty, I am being framed. The actor Salman Khan has deposed before a Jodhpur court, recording his statement in the 19-year-old black buck case, where he's been charged with allegedly poaching 2 black bucks in Rajasthan. Harsha Kumari Singh is at that Jodhpur court. Harsha, who does Salman Khan claims was framing him?
Well, in court, he claims that this entire case was concocted by the Forest Department, because remember, all these 3 cases that Salman has been made accused in were all, the Forest Department was the complainant in that case. And of course, in this case is crucial because there were eyewitnesses also in the case. So those eyewitness statements were read out to him. There were 28 witnesses, some of them very critical eyewitnesses. And for all that, he denied all the charges. He said, I'm innocent, I've been falsely implicated by the Forest Department for the sake of publicity. And as an aside, he also, it's part of court procedure to be asked your name, age, caste or religion, father's name and so on and so forth. So when he was asked his caste/religion, he said, I'm Indian. So that's another thing that he usually does say that in court. So that's another aside from the court that's come across, that we've just heard about right now. And it's something that becomes quite a trend, becomes quite a trending story. The fact that when Salman is asked about his caste and religion, he says, I am Indian.